it is just hard to believe it's February around here with these 60s. What is happening?
Yeah, 60s this morning. That should be the highs for the afternoon, but we're going to be well above that over the next few days. It's going to cool down some, but not much as we head into tomorrow. Let's get you out the door here right now, though. We're looking at some partly to mostly cloudy skies, maybe at times this morning. We see those low clouds rolling in once again with those brisk south winds as we head out this morning. 65 degrees looking at downtown Dallas right now. Everyone in the low to mid 60s as you get out to Lancaster and DeSoto this morning at 63, 66 in Plano, and coming back out to Weatherford. That's one spot in the 50s here this morning. Right now you're at 56. Breaking out the muggy meter. Haven't used this in a while, but we're seeing those dew points. It's going to be a little more humid out there with those dew points in the upper 50s to around 60 degrees. So as we look at the muggy meter, that still puts it in the comfortable category, but just barely. It could get a little bit sticky before things begin to change, as we will have some drier air filtering back in as that front works its way in a little bit later today. So that will impact the temperatures just a little bit as well. I think in our southern counties today, we're still looking at some lower 80s out there as you get out toward Athens and Corsicana, but we'll be looking at some low mid 70s. So there's the slightly cooler air. Heading out to Denton around 75 later today. Getting into the afternoon, Decatur and Bowie going to be in the lower 70s as we go through the day. So upper 70s, Fort Worth over to Dallas. So we'll shave a few degrees off of those daytime highs, I think, later today with those northwest winds. And skies will become mostly sunny. A few low clouds around this morning, but becoming mostly sunny as we go through the day. Now that first front moves in a little bit later today. That brings in the mainly drier air. It will be just a few degrees cooler as we head on into this afternoon and evening. And then that moves off to the east. We'll warm right back up as we head into the weekend. And then we'll have to wait until the middle part of next week before the next stronger front works its way in. That will bring maybe a chance for some showers and thunderstorms late Tuesday going into Wednesday. And then it will be noticeably cooler, I think, beyond that. So check out the temperature trend as we go through the weekend. We're right back into the mid 70s on Saturday, around 80 on Sunday. Then we do get into that neighborhood of record highs. We won't be there on Sunday, but as we get into Monday, Tuesday, especially of next week, we'll be around 84. That record high as it stands now is 85. So we'll be very close to that before those temperatures do drop. So you see that with the 14-day forecast. We'll go from the mid 80s Monday and Tuesday, only in the upper 60s as we get into Wednesday. A slight chance for a few showers, scattered showers and storms. That's going to be very late Tuesday, I think, heading into early Wednesday, probably more like Tuesday night. And then beyond that, we'll see those temperatures generally in the 60s and kind of a modest warm up late next week as we begin the month of March.